Back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install Oracle VirtualBox in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Oracle VirtualBox and just hit enter. Now you will see the official website from Oracle, that is www.virtualbox.org. So this is the link. Just click on link. Now here we have the download button. Just click on download and then you will get all the platform list for which is available and the version. So the version is 7.1.6 and we are installing it for the Windows. So we'll select the Windows host and it will automatically starting download. So you can see it is started. Let's wait till download complete, and we can install it for the Mac OS, Linux and Solaris as well. Downloaded it. Now let's install. For that, just open it, click on yes. Now we have to do this setup, so click on next button. Now accept the license and agreement, click on next. So this is the all features that will be installed. We'll keep it as it is, and this will be the path where all files will store. Now click on next and click on yes. Now click on yes, and these are the four options. First one is for create the start menu entries, then for the shortcut option, then quick launch bar, and for the register. Then click on next and click on install button. So the installation will be start. Let's wait till installation complete. So we have completed the installation. Now let's click on finish, and you can see the desktop icon is created. So it is launch. So this is an Oracle Virtual Box Manager. We have the different options. From here we can add, then we can create new, and we can import the existing one.